Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add someone on Life360. All right. So first up, go ahead and open up the app itself. Now, once done, as you can see here at the bottom, we have the add a person option. All right. Make sure that you are in the person tab. All right. Now go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now in here, you'll have to send the code. Okay. Now, when you tap on it, you'll be able to see a list of the messaging apps on your phone. For example, I'm going to use Messenger. All right. And then I'm going to send it to my wife right here. And once that's done, just go back and do keep in mind that the invite code will expire after 72 hours or exactly 2 days. Now, once you have sent your invitation, the person will have to tap on this link. All right. When the person taps on it, it will automatically ask them to install the app. All right. And also create their own account. That's basically how you do it. All right, just a quick note, there's a system limitation of 99 members in one circle, okay? It is recommended limiting your circle to 10 members for optimal app performance. All right, as you can see here, I've just received a notification that my wife has joined. That's basically how you do it. All right, when we check it out, she's right here. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.